Maintenance and repair are key aspects of our operations as well as important decision points in the acquisition of additional assets. I therefore direct the Philippine Air Force and the AFP to continue developing your capabilities for conducting maintenance and repair to keep all our military assets ready to go. Conduct routinary checkup and regular engineering services for added safety requirements, and provide extensive training to those who will be flying and using it. Just like the C-130 is designed for a wide range of missions, from day-to-day peaceful operations to hectic times of crisis, may you also endure all the challenges that come your way, face them with vigor and courage. Remain steadfast as you continue to perform your duties, especially in the crucial role as our country's first line of defense against external security